And now it is time for the Comic Vine Preview Theater. Deadpool, number 27.
What do you mean you don't take gold? It's gold.
Dollars. Only dollars.
Dude, have a heart. I'm starving here. Just take the gold and let me leave with this delicious microwave burrito before it starts congealing. Because once the congealing starts, that's when things get ugly.
American dollars.
Shoot.
Stab.
No, shoot.
How about a compromise?
Shoot, then stab.
No. Stab, then shoot. And let's not roll out grenade down the throat.
Or grenade up the...
I don't have any American dollars. But guess what I do have?
You have a mask.
Yup.
And guns.
Yup.
This is a robbery?
Yep.
Who the hell are you guys? Wait, my burrito. Chuck. Splush. Incoming. Split.
Ah, it's all congealed.
You know what that means, of course. Things are about to get ugly.
Dude, you have no idea.
They can regenerate?
I noticed.
Now can we do grenade down the throat?
And you have been watching the Comic Vine Preview Theater. Make sure you buy the issue to find out if they can do the grenade down the throat.